हमने तो पास किया था, इन्होंने 3.5 साल से क्यों नहीं किया? अगर आपको महिलाओं की चिंता है, रिजर्वेशन का बिल लाओ, सेशन को इसी सेशन में लाओ. So let them bring the women reservation bill, since they are saying they are the only champions. Please, for all the women of India, bring the women reservation bill.
साहबानों का फैसला अभी भी कांग्रेस के सर में है. साहबानों का फैसला अभी भी कांग्रेस के सर में है. इस मुल्क की महिलाओं के लिए, बहनों के लिए, बेटियों के लिए खड़े को तैयार है. साहबानों का फैसला अभी भी वही कांग्रेस.
Please follow the rules, sir. Sir, I also seek your ruling on a related this matter. I also seek your ruling. One is that yesterday the leader of the House, all the leaders of the political parties, the Honorable Chairman, the concerned ministers, and Honorable Chair, sir, this issue was discussed yesterday in depth in the BSc, and the chairman had said that tomorrow, when it comes before the House, you bring the motion. Yeah. It is the chairman, sir. Check the record of the BSc. So this is unfair to say that we are not responsible and only they are responsible. And second, we are not opposing, we are supporting.
Well, did the chairman tell you break the rules?
We are not hypocrites. We are
did
not.
The chairman tell you file an invalid motion?
There are umpteen precedents.
You don't blame anybody for
Anand Sharma ji. Anand Sharma ji.
Sir, I'm just completing. Allow me, I'll just complete in 2 sentences.
See,
I also want...
Both motions are allowed by chairman.
Sir, I also want your ruling.
Both motions are allowed by chairman. What is the both amendments?
Sir, I also want your ruling. Sir, I also want your ruling. Sukhendu, 1 minute. Sir, I also want your ruling that when a bill is brought before the parliament and one house has already passed it, normally we have standing committees and select committees provided for under the rules. I feel that as a legislature, it is the collective duty and bounden duty, constitutional duty of all of us to ensure that any law which is enacted goes through legislative scrutiny so that any flaws or lacunae can be corrected. Parliament cannot be a rubber stamp that they bring the bill and we rubber stamp.
Okay.
And what we have referred to,
what is your point?
Referred to is a minority judgment.
I think...
Please. I am not challenging. I'm not challenging.
I would tell you, no need of harping on this. Chairman has allowed both amendments.
Take objection with respect.
So the technicality is gone. It's already allowed by chairman.
The House is a very eminent jurist. What he has quoted is the minority judgment. The majority judgment of the Constitutional Bench has declared it as void. And even if it is 22nd of February, which they says, what we have said, bring it in the first week of the budget session. We are very clear about it. Your budget session is starting end of January.
Both sides should sit together
let it go through
and discuss and come to an agreement rather than fighting here.
Bad law. What you are doing is not what the judgment is.
What is that?
Honorable Chairman.
I get...
Honorable Chairman.
माननीय सभापति जी, संविधान में
give some suggestion to solve.
Honorable Chairman.
संविधान में आर्टिकल 80 और 81 को अगर आप पढ़े, 2 सदनों की हमारे संरचना की गई कि अगर एक सदन कहीं गलती करे तो दूसरा सदन इसको तय कर ले. 80-81 में बिल्कुल साफ दिया. और इसी मारे राज्यसभा का गठन पहले हुआ. श्रीमन रूल 125 हम लोग महिला बिल के विरोधी नहीं है, लेकिन हमारा कहना है कि समाज के सब वर्ग महिलाओं को, चाहे हिंदू हो, चाहे मुसलमान हो, चाहे सिख हो, चाहे ईसाई हो, सब महिलाओं को लिए एक कानून आना चाहिए. सिर्फ एक वर्ग की महिलाओं सभी वर्ग की महिलाओं के लिए. एक सब 125 में सेलेक्ट कमेटी का प्रोविजन इसी मारे रखा गया है. 125 में सेलेक्ट कमेटी का प्रोविजन इसी मारे रखा गया है कि अगर एक सदन से कोई चीज पास होके आ जाए उसको स्क्रूटनी करने के लिए 125 का है. और 232 की जो बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, वो उसी के साथ में है. आपने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है, वोटिंग कराइए, आप वोटिंग सेलेक्ट कमेटी के लिए डिवीजन, हम डिवीजन की मांग करते हैं।
Amendment has already been accepted by chairman. Already. Now, please. Now, yes, Kapil Sibal. Point of order.
Yes, I want to.
Okay.
No, sir, I want to clarify.
It is very clear.
But I am,
Now you.
sir, if I will permit. Permit me, sir.
Yes, Kapil Sibal. You speak.
Allow me to speak. Sir, I have great respect for the distinguished leader of the House. But when he intervened, he referred to the judgment of the Supreme Court. And I want to correct the record because I appeared in the case on behalf of the Muslim Personal Law Board. And I wish to correct the record. What the leader of the House said was in relation to the minority judgment. There were 3 judgments in the case. The judgment that was referred to by the leader of the House is the minority judgment. The majority judgment already holds. And the leader of the House is gone when he says that a period of 6 months has already been given. In fact, the judgment says that once the bill is introduced in any house, that period of 6 months
No, you are a lawyer.
till such time as the bill is passed.
Okay, that's fine.
There is no urgency.
He was a lawyer.
Because
so
the Maharashtra
in the
judgment
same
itself
case.
says
So that's okay.
that period of 6 months will continue once it has been introduced to the House. At the outset, we support this bill.
I heard you.
But we are against the criminalization. We support this bill, but we are against criminalization. Therefore, this cannot get
Should we proceed
spread
or should we adjourn?
by the ruling party.
If you don't allow me.
They should act.
Then I will adjourn.
सर आप डिवीजन करिए, इसको सिलेक्ट कमेटी में भेजने के लिए आप डिवीजन करिए, जो मेजॉरिटी डिसीजन होगा वो फैसला करेगी। हम कह रहे हैं कि ये सिलेक्ट कमेटी को जाए, पोजीशन से कहाँ जाए, ये सिलेक्ट कमेटी को जाए, आप डिवीजन करिए।
Chairman has waived the technicality of not giving the amendment 1 day in advance. Therefore, both amendments are valid. Both amendments are equal. So I will have to adjourn. That's only way. No. Otherwise, you give me. No.
Sir, don't adjourn. Have the division. In democracy, the majority prevails. In democracy, if in this house, there is no order. In this house, there is no order. The majority will not prevail. Then where will it prevail? Let us have the division. Let us have the division. Let us decide by division. Whosoever has the number, whichever the party, whichever group has the number, let the decision be in his favor.
I cannot conduct without order. I am going to adjourn.
Division.
What do I do?
जब कोई निर्णय नहीं होता इस सदन में डिवीजन करिए।
What do I do?
डिवीजन करिए।
Make them. I cannot have division, then there is no order.
डिवीजन हो
There is no order. Make them see. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
Yes.
What can I do when there is no order? What can I do? I said both amendments are valid, but what can I do? House is adjourned till 11 hours Saturday on 4th January.